Look at this. There are 3,727 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it daily. I got a few shout outs to give in my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. If you're tired of working for somebody else, if you want to make life-changing money in cryptocurrency, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to keep you updated daily with the news that moves the markets, the important news, the news that matters. Bitcoin technical analysis, altcoin setups to make profits, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin hasn't really been doing much. A little bit of chop, 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 just consolidating. Okay, this has been amazing for the altcoins. I can't even believe some of the altcoins upside we've seen lately. It's ridiculous. So this, again, we're in this ascending triangle for Bitcoin, 1 hour chart. Okay, on these 2 previous attempts, we had these little fake outs, right? These little blow off tops, right? So traders essentially trying to buy the breakout would have got faked out here. So you got to watch for this type of scenario. The bullish target here, break to the upside, 13,000. 13,000 would be the next leg higher for Bitcoin. Now, if you've got this bull flag, right, just fuel the breakout to the upside. We get a breakout and a retest. It would be very good for the altcoins if this price action just continues to consolidate in this area. But I'm going to go over some bullish ideas that may play out. And just remember, a bearish idea is a CME Bitcoin futures gap that's down at about 96 to 9,900. Okay, so just, you always have to consider the bearish and bullish case of all these trades and trading setups. So Bitcoin, this is a bullish pattern, 64% chance that it breaks to the upside. So keep that in mind. Now, but the question is, will it continue or will it break out soon? Now, we got Monday morning Eastern Standard Time coming in about 13 hours. A lot of times we see, the weekly candle's about to close, the daily candle's about to close. A lot of times we see price action, a lot of moves in the market on Sunday nights, Monday mornings. So I've got a ton of amazing shout outs to give in my trading group I want to share with you guys. This gentleman says, I think you'll be pleased to hear that my portfolio is now valued at $128,000. I started at around $12,000. This is a younger gentleman. He's a pretty young guy. He thought, maybe I'll hit, when I first started trading, he thought maybe I could hit 10 BTC, maybe. He's done this already. This next person says, I've been killing it from my wife. Thank you for the new Siemens kitchen with all the bells and whistles. I've been throwing all the profit into our new house to get the value up while everything is cheap. Property markets are down. Crypto is booming. So he's got a new kitchen put in his trading. You got to keep the wife happy. I just joined your group a couple days ago and I profited $10,000. 10 grand. Boom. Remember, the advantage of having a huge trading group on your side is you're able to watch the entire market a lot better. People that join the trading group, 99% of these people that I talk about have never traded before. had somebody email me the other day and they said, hey, Chris, I'm thinking about joining your group because the bull run might be coming. And I'm thinking, man, have you seen what this market's done over the last 3 months? People are 10xing their portfolios quickly. Life-changing money. You guys remember FET. So this was FET, the setup that I gave you guys, posted on the 5th of August by the breakout of this level, FET. And now we started in the trading group buying FET way down here. We've actually, well, let's just look. FET right now, moon mission, right? So I posted this, gave it to you guys 11 days ago, 73% gains. I got a tremendous number of thank you messages about FET, and I talked to you guys about this specifically. You guys remember that? Let's actually just look at that clip. CZ, it's great for marketing if these IEOs that pay you to be listed and launched on your exchange, and obviously you're able to charge a premium, it's great for business if your coins pump. Watch. FET will find a way to pump amazing. I've got pump amazing. Yeah, I would call 73% gains in 11 days. I would call that pump amazing. These Binance IEOs, I think one, and I've talked to you guys about one, hasn't taken off yet. Now remember, again, Harmony One may see some significant upside over time. Bitcoin has to cooperate, right? This is the commitment of traders. This green line down here shows this is retail, right? This is retail traders. You should see the price action. So as the price action, really retail traders mimic the price action of Bitcoin. Now the pro traders, ironically, are way down, and institutions are way at the bottom. Now it's increased, but still a lot of retail is pumping the price. Retail FOMO is huge right now. The DeFi market cap keeps surging, now hits $15.1 billion. DeFi is going to continue. I had somebody hit me up and they're like, I'm thinking this DeFi bubble is going to explode soon. Man, listen, they'll run with this. These coins are all about to capitalize as much as they possibly can in this DeFi hysteria. These old coins will fade away. The coins that aren't saying, hey, we're DeFi, like they're just not going to move as well as these DeFi coins. Watch. Huge Bitcoin marketing. Digital asset manager at Galaxy Digital have plastered the Financial Times with a full page ad about Bitcoin. $2 billion XRP volume. Now, XRP does have some upside coming. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said $2 billion in volume has flowed through XRP remittance platform, and volume surged 11x between July 2019 and July 2020. And you can see, obviously, by the price of XRP, volume increases do not equate to price increases, right? So any type of remittance doesn't, people have to hold the coins and it has to increase in value based on that demand for price to increase, right? So it's important to understand that idea. That whole idea of wash trading, there's increased volume, but really doesn't move the price of the coins. That's kind of similar idea as far as how volume doesn't move the price. Former Florida tax collector used public funds for blockchain company. Got him. This is, got to be more careful. This is Mike Chen from STPT, and he said many big news will come out for STPT in the next 30 days. Very excited. Stay tuned. And I posted this in group, and as soon as I look at the chart, Insta-Pump, don't FOMO, Insta-Pump. Remember, Mike Chen, how big is his bag? He's on the team. Just imagine, this is a space where you can tweet something and make a ton of money. Like, they want to pump these coins. That's their job. Like, that's how they feed their family. They're going to sell these coins and make profits. Just so Aegis DeFi is going to support JustSwap. So JustSwap is coming in 2 days. Tron, TRX, has actually seen some upside because of this. So JustSwap, decentralized exchange. Good to see TRX jumping into the market, jumping in the DeFi market. So ARPA, we talked about this. This is actually going to happen tomorrow, though. Wanted to remind you. So ARPA, Bella, their DeFi initiative, and they're going to share more information on Monday. On Monday, remember that, tomorrow, ARPA, more DeFi information. Now, if this pumped here, what's going to happen here? ERD and MoonPay, fast purchases, low fee for cards. So ERD has partnered with MoonPay for Visa MasterCards. Secret chat with the CEO of GNT. So this is Matthias Nystrom. A person was asking, hi, is there any new projects in the near future? He says he's going to unleash DeFi soon. Question mark, DeFi? Yes, next month or even earlier. So someone shared this with me. I hope it's going to be officially announced soon. I thought I'd share this with you because you have changed my life. Never in my life did I think I would get messages like this, and I get them every day, and it's important to me. I'm really grateful for the opportunity to do this on a daily basis for you guys, so I do appreciate you watching the channel. QTUM, BTC, mainnet update to allow offline staking coming August the 28th. I talked to you guys about this previously. And this is the new setup. Essentially, you want to buy the breakout of this level. You know, always good to get into a retest type situation where you get a retest of support levels. Okay, and then a continuation move higher. But this update, this mainnet update, essentially is a hard fork, it's a software upgrade. Okay, so really the big deal is the fact that offline staking is going to happen on August the 28th, and this is a bullish setup for QTUM. I want you guys to get whiteboards, order them now, get on Amazon, order a whiteboard, write this stuff down, get a whiteboard. This is a business. What if you just went to work tomorrow and you said, I just wing it, I don't need a day planner, a laptop, I'll just do my best, I'll just remember it. I'll watch 28 YouTubers and I'll try to remember all the news, make it a journal, make a log, get organized, whiteboard it. So this is the information that is being talked about for QTUM, offline staking. Then you've got QTUM is a suitable DeFi project too. They're going to be allowing people to build some DeFi projects on QTUM as well. There's also more news in September, Phantom on the mainnet and new Tron release coming towards the end of the year. It's important to understand this. Link has obviously exploded. Ethereum has obviously exploded. Can you build a bullish case that says, hey, it's Bitcoin's turn next to run this market? Boom. $13,000 Bitcoin. Is it coming? Anyone? Anyone? What do you guys think? Leg higher in the next 24 hours? Or are we going to consolidate for another week? And Bitcoin dominance. Like, geez, this little move to the downside here has been money for these altcoins. They're taking off. Look at this. Do not have an account on Binance. Go make one right now. This 45%, 35%, 29, 27, 23, 22, 22, 19, 18, 17, 16, 14. Like, look at all the double-digit gains. Like shooting fish in a barrel, right? Get some of this easy money. There's a link in the description. Supports the channel. Binance International. If you live in the United States, you have to sign up for PureVPN. Lend. I gave you guys Lend. I gave you guys this setup. Lend BTC. You got this triangle. Buy the breakout of the yellow triangle. What happens? Boom. Here's the last setup. Previous setup posted 8 days ago, up 25%. Now the new setup is buy the breakout of this level. Lend, the target's way up here. See this? That's your Satoshi value. You can see 50% gains out of Lend as soon as it breaks to the upside. So you get this little handle. If you look, this is that big type cup and handle pattern where it's going to go through price discovery, where you get these huge explosive moves to the upside. Lend is a grandfather of all these DeFi coins. It's a Lend. Here's the setup. So we started down here buying the breakout of this bull flag. Okay, and so it's just been, you remember, you get an impulse move and then a retracement, impulse move and then a retracement, right? And so that's what's been happening. Now, essentially, you want to buy the breakout of this level. Right now, it's up about 13% if you got into it on the original setup. Okay, so again, looking for a bounce here, a retest. Small bull flags forming potentially right here. Lend is a strong coin on my list of strong coins going forward. This is a bullish rounded bottom. Right? This is actually the handle of another rounded bottom. Like, this is a bullish setup. Keep an eye on this. Cody. So I posted this setup in the trading group as a falling wedge. You really want to see buy the breakout of this level, potentially this resistance level right here. Okay, Cody has had, you see it's kind of similar. Like, you get this rounded bottom, right? Remember, Cody's got a lot of dues. If you're looking to midterm hold a coin, if Bitcoin makes a big move, obviously Cody BTC is going to take a hit. But when you're thinking, okay, if these altcoins take a hit and I need to pick up a coin, you know, Cody is a good one. Link, Band. There's coins that they'll pop back quick. If the Doc is another one. These are coins that have news or they've had a lot of hype, and the entire market will think to buy them quickly, and so they bounce back fast. So you always want to have a strategy in place. Well, what if Bitcoin does this? What if Bitcoin does that? These billionaires, who are actually well known, Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss, they went to Harvard with Zuckerberg. Zuckerberg supposedly took their idea for Facebook. Now, Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, they own about 1% of all the Bitcoin in existence, about 184,610 Bitcoin. So again, this is worth about 2.2 billion. The Winklevoss twins, they bought their huge stack of Bitcoin back in 2013 for $11 million. 11 million to 2.2 billion. Life-changing money. That's freaking I'm just curious, are you, these guys obviously are behind Gemini. Is that what you're doing when you get 2.2 billion bucks? You're going to push hard and you're going to start businesses and in cryptocurrency. What would you do? 2.2 billion. You take $11 million to 2.2 billion, and how's your life change? What are you doing different? Leave me a comment in the comment box. But yeah, these guys came out and talked to Dave Portnoy, who is a highly influential day trader with over 1.7 million Twitter followers. And they said, hey, you need to buy more Bitcoin. This gentleman they're talking to, Portnoy, he is a Barstool Sports founder. And they said, you better buy more Bitcoin. 2.2 billion, big money. Record Ethereum network use and gas fees pose a risk to DeFi expansion. You guys remember CryptoKitties when that came out? 2017, it was this hot new app, and you could just completely crushed the Ethereum blockchain, where the network was just clogged and cluttered, and it just took forever. Gas fees were expensive. So that's where DeFi's at right now. I wonder how that's going to work out. Ethereum 2.0, not good news. The testnet crashes, and it was stuck. It's currently stuck. So a time-related bug brought down Prism, which is used by a vast majority of the validators. There's actually 5 different clients that they're looking at, but this one, Prism, was the one that crashed. So not the most exciting news for 2.0 Ethereum, but it's software. There's going to be bugs. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.